click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to compare Sharekhan with India Infoline, two prominent full service stock brokers of India. In this comparison we will be going deep. We'll talk about company backgrounds, account opening and maintenance charges, brokerage plans, exposure or leverage across segments, prominency of research, performance of trading platforms, and some of the features that can help you to figure out which of these two stock brokers, Sharekhan or India Infoline, is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So both India Infoline and Sharekhan are full service stock brokers. India Infoline was established in the year 1995, while Sharekhan is 5 years younger to it, launched in the year 2000. Today, IIFL has branches across 4,400 locations across different parts of the country. Sharekhan, on the other hand, has presence in 1950 locations. India Infoline, although, is also a number 2 stock broker as far as offline coverage is concerned. India Infoline is a member of NSE, BSE, MCX and NCDX, while Sharekhan holds additional membership with NSEL. If you're looking to open an account with either of these stock brokers, India Infoline charges you 750 rupees for trading account, 555 rupees for demat account opening. To maintain your demat account with them, you have to pay 300 rupees every year to the stockbroker. Sharekhan, on the other hand, charges you 750 rupees for opening the trading account, and to maintain your demat account with them, you have to pay 450 rupees every year. So, from account opening perspective, India Infoline is expensive, while Sharekhan looks expensive from AMC perspective. So then we talk about brokerage, very important aspect before you choose a stock broker. Now, IIFL and Sharekhan both charge the same rate of 0.5% for equity delivery. That would mean for 1 lakh worth of trade, you are going to pay 500 rupees as brokerage charge to both of these stock brokers. Irrespective of the fact that you are going to make money or not, you have to shell out 500 rupees for that particular trade to these stock brokers. For intraday, Sharekhan charges you 0.1, IIFL half of that, 0.05%. So is the case with equity futures. Now if you look at option tradings, it can be 100 rupees as well, but if it really depends on your trade value. If that is exceeding 100, then that particular will be charged as your brokerage. Similarly, you can check out the values across different segments here. Now, from industry perspective, certainly both of these stock brokers can be termed as premium stock brokers. The brokerage charges are very high, but having said that, you have to make sure that there are so many trading plans offered by these stock brokers. For example, if you start with higher trading account balance, if you want to go ahead with the subscription plan, they also have that. So depending what kind of plan you choose, a corresponding brokerage will be levied on your trades. One thing you should remember, higher the trading account balance or higher the turnover you put in the stock market, lower is the brokerage charge you are going to pay. So it is certainly going to be expensive for beginners, small investors, while for people who are experts, who are traders, been a while and they want to start big, probably for those set of traders, the brokerage can be certainly negotiated. Then we have exposure or leverage for people who do not understand the concept. Basically, it's kind of a short-term loan offered by the stockbroker at a specific interest rate. Now, this interest rate can be in the range of 15% to 22%. In case of IIFL, for trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 2 lakh because their exposure is 20 times for intraday, and with Sharekhan you can trade up to 1 lakh. Similarly, you can see that IIFL produces much more exposure than Sharekhan does across other segments too. So it really depends on what kind of segment you're looking to trade. Basically from that, if IIFL or Sharekhan, whichever attracts you in terms of exposure, you can pick one of them. Then we have customer service, Sharekhan with higher number of communication channels, be it email support, live chat, phone number, toll-free number, offline branches, versus India Infoline's three communication channels of email, phone and offline branches. So from quantitative perspective, certainly Sharekhan is better, but also if you talk about qualitative analysis, the customer service, the turnaround time, the mode of communication, the personalized aspect. So a lot of factors that go into customer service and support are all supported well by Sharekhan. As far as comparison with India Infoline is concerned, there are other stockbrokers that can provide you much better customer service, but between these two, you can pick Sharekhan for better customer service. Then we have research and trading products. Now, well, both of these are stockbrokers of full service nature. They provide you all kinds of reports, recommendations, tips, analysis at daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly level. So that doesn't stop anywhere. But in research, the most important aspect is its accuracy, its regularity. Sharekhan does a decent job, but the accuracy of India Infoline, the prominency of the research team of India Infoline is much better than Sharekhan's. Trading segments, you can trade across at least 8 to 10 trading segments with either of these stockbrokers. There is no limitation there. For example, equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currency, commodities, insurance, then there are bonds, there are ETFs, FDs, corporate FDs. There's no end to that. So as far as trading segments is concerned, you can pick either of these two stockbrokers. Then we have some other features, and it really depends whether you're looking forward to these features or not, and from that perspective you can pick either of these two stockbrokers. For example, automated trading is provided by IIFL and Sharekhan doesn't do that, while robo-advisory or 3-in-1 accounts are not supported by either of these two stockbrokers. Now we will spend some time talking about the trading platforms one by one. We'll start with the mobile app, and for that we need to check out Google Play Store. So we will start with the Sharekhan's mobile app. Now this application is rated at 4.1 by around 1739 users. Now you'll think that although Sharekhan has been for a while, it's a big brand, how come only 1739 users have rated this app? Now the problem with Sharekhan is that they come up with a new app whenever one app goes down the lane. This is their third attempt. The last two apps were not really performing in the way they expected. They ended up with a rating of 3.2, 3.3, which is a huge negative for any brand whatsoever. So as of now, it's rated at 4.1. The overall negative percent stands at around 83%, with around 16 to 70% of the users rating this app negatively. If you look at the stats here, they have been regularly updating their mobile app. The last one was done on 5th of July 2017. We are recording this video in the second week of July, so it's been good 10 days. This application has seen the last update. Generally, they update the app in a range of 3 to 4 weeks, which is good as far as the history of Sharekhan is concerned. Number of installs in the range of 1 to 5 lakhs. So from number wise, this version of Sharekhan looks good. However, there are concerns. For example, user experience, the charting feature for technical fundamental analysis is a concern. There have been some fluctuations seen when you are logging into the application or you're logging out. The stop loss feature was never present in Sharekhan's any of the mobile app. This one probably has it, but you should be checking it out before taking our word for that. So it's an average stockbroking application. Rather, we'll say it's relatively better than average. But let's see what IIFL has to offer before we make a final judgment. So the mobile app of IIFL is called IIFL Markets, rated at 4.2 by more than 20,000 users, close to around 21,000. Out of that, around 7.5% of the users have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands at around 92.5%, which is way better than the industry standards. If you look at the update cycle, the last one was done in June 15th, 2017. Generally, they update the mobile app in the range of 4 to 5 weeks. Number of installs in the range of 1 to 5 million. So from numbers perspective, definitely it's a better application than Sharekhan. In fact, what we have heard from customers who've been using the application for a while, the application does perfectly well as far as performance is concerned, number of features, type of features are concerned. However, there are a couple of issues. One, if you're looking to invest in mutual funds using this application, you might find the whole process a little complicated. Then the password updation issues after every 15 days is also a big concern. Otherwise, this application has no problem whatsoever in its usage. Its update cycle is good, speed is good, user experience, design, everything is done perfectly well. So If you want to pick one, IIFL without any doubt is far better than Sharekhan's mobile app. Now let's talk about the other trading platforms offered by these two stockbrokers, and for that we need to check out digitalblogger.com. So again, we'll start with Sharekhan. The first application is Sharekhan Trade Tiger. It's a prominent name, it's a huge name in fact in the trading fraternity. Trade Tiger is one of the most mature and high performance trading applications. It's a terminal based solution. You have to download this and install this onto your laptop and computer. As far as features are concerned, well, you can trade across multiple segments: equity, currency, commodity, derivative, IPO. In fact, mutual funds is also allowed for investments. Then for technical and fundamental high quality charts. So from that perspective as well, certainly a decent application to use. It has integration with 14 national banks, so pay in and payouts is pretty easy too. Since it's a full service stockbroker, they provide you all kinds of tips and research. Accuracy is slightly lower as compared to India Infoline, but certainly they provide you all kinds of research within this application. You can customize different alerts and notifications as per your preferences. So certainly a recommendable software. Like in the case of IIFL Markets, the mobile app, Sharekhan has a decent competition in this terminal based solution. Then we have already talked about the mobile app. Then they have a web-based browser application. In this case, obviously you don't need to download this or install this onto any computer or laptop. You can in fact use it from any device. It's a responsive application. It gives you the provision to trade across multiple segments, lightweight in nature, doesn't require high configuration from your machine. Similarly, they give you different kinds of features, for example pattern finders. Now this application feature helps you to screen out or filter out stocks that are healthy for you for long-term investments. Similarly, there is alert features. So there are a bunch of features that are not really provided in other applications and are exclusively open for Sharekhan clients. So these are different trading applications from Sharekhan. If you want to have a detailed look, you can check out these reviews here. This is Sharekhan Trade Tiger review with detailed information on different features provided to clients with positives and negatives. Obviously, the mobile app review is also given. This is for the latest mobile app we just discussed at Google Play Store. We have talked about multiple features with screenshots attached here so that you can get a complete idea whatsoever is available out there. So these are trading platforms offered by Sharekhan. Now let's talk about what IIFL India Infoline has to offer in its trading platforms apart from the mobile app. So they've got IIFL Trader Terminal. Again, this is pretty exhaustive when it comes to number of features. They have done all of bits that are required to put in usable features for traders as well as investors. So this is some sort of a summary. When you talk about number of features here, you can have a detailed look. If you click here, we will be talking about the review of IIFL Trader Terminal. Then the other application that is usable is IIFL Markets. This is a mobile app we just discussed. It comes with different features. We have in fact given much more details here than covered in the Google Play Store version. Then they're also having a terminal based solution for web based application. It is lightweight in nature. You don't need to download this or install this. Directly can be accessed from any computer or laptop. Number of segments in this case are limited. You can trade across equity, currency and commodity. Features also relatively limited in nature. So IIFL gives you a decent value when it comes to trading platforms, but the web-based browser application has a lot to improve, a lot to add up. So it really depends on what kind of device you want to trade, and correspondingly you can pick a specific trading platform. For instance, if you're looking for a terminal based solution, you can pick actually one of them. IIFL Trader or Sharekhan Tiger are similar in terms number of features, or if you talk about speed, then the mobile app of IIFL Markets is way better. When you talk about browser-based application, Sharekhan's web browser application is slightly better than the one provided by IIFL. So these are different trading platforms offered by these two stockbrokers. And now it's up to your preferences, and based on that you can make a final judgment. However, if you want our advice in finding out the most suitable stockbroker for you, you can check out this link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details and your preferences there. We'll be setting up a call back from the broker for you. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, A Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. We have presence across Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr and SlideShare, where we post regular content every single day so that you can stay updated with the market information. Again, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye-bye.